Since living memory, we try to imitate nature, to make her useful for us, her energy, her diversity, characteristics we would like to possess. Man is primarily interested in using her power. Nature has become a tool to shape our environment. Ever since, great thinkers, revolutionaries, inventors, scientists, and also the world's religions have tried to describe nature, comprehend nature in various ways, and to benefit from the found knowledge. One of the oldest motivations for this is movement. Numerous inventions made mankind mobile and gave him the power to transport heavy objects and get from point A to point B. These days, movement does not only have a useful character anymore. Movement, in many fields, has already become self-evident, even prestigious and luxurious. However, there are also drawbacks. All the previous methods to use the power of nature often harmed her at the same time. Environmental pollution is increasing daily, and we are suffering more and more from our own ideas. Due to this experience, a consciousness is developing to look further into what we caused and what we are accountable for. Research is continued tirelessly because very often the solution is closer than we think. This is what happened in engine development. And this is exactly what Heinrich Schmid, inventor of the N2 propulsion system, did. He took a closer look and made conventional combustion engines an anachronism, because the solution for environmental problems is not only in front of us, but all around us. Air, and its nitrogen. About 78% of the air that we breathe consists of gaseous nitrogen. If this element is cooled to minus 197 degrees Celsius, it becomes liquid and reduces its volume by the factor 800. The nitrogen gained through this method is not wasted, but simply changes its aggregate state, which has one major advantage. Nitrogen is not flammable and therefore not explosive. In the propulsion system of Heinrich Schmid, nitrogen is used as a medium to absorb warmth. Due to its characteristics, the nitrogen tries to absorb warmth from its environment in order to regain the gaseous state. For this process, no further energy is necessary. Nature accomplishes this on its own. These naturally given factors are used by the propulsion system of the engine corporation. The liquefied nitrogen is filled into a vacuum-insulated tank. In order to reach the necessary internal pressure of 12 bar, a system of evaporators is integrated in the tank. A control valve connects the tank with the second stage of the propulsion system, the evaporator. The evaporator enables the nitrogen to exchange heat with its environment. By heating the nitrogen, a compressed gas with 12 bar pressure is created. This pressure is used to propel the engine. A clean energy, even with respect to technical and financial aspects. Reductions in motor weight. Additional room for tank. No transmission and ignition necessary. High torque without time delay. Maintenance friendly. Non-flammable. Increasing lifespan of engine due to small temperature fluctuations in the system. A nitrogen supply infrastructure for cooling trucks already exists today and can be used for further applications. In addition, nitrogen can be derived easily and without any further expenses as a byproduct from industrial applications. The first functional prototypes already proved that the engine propulsion system works as it was conceived by the inventor Heinrich Schmid. But this application is just one of many. The propulsion system of Heinrich Schmid is mainly used in boats and ships. Integrated into these applications, the element water can be used as a heat conductor and thus allows higher performance. Engine has already realized special propulsion systems for this area, as for example the torpedo motor, the world's first propulsion system which works entirely underwater. The engine propulsion system, with its production, storage and usage of nitrogen, is a clean system. This is also confirmed by expert reports which were made about engine by independent organizations. Therefore, it can be assured that the new technology keeps its promises.
And when you dive into the sea, feel the pressure penetrate to the pores. Do you see the colors? Do you feel the flow? Let your spirit fly this inside.